हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, आज हम द सर्जन अ शॉर्ट स्टोरी बाय रोअल्ड डैल इसके क्वेश्चन आंसर्स करेंगे। इसके लिए अपने बुक्स को पेज नंबर 99 पे खोलिए। द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन वी हैव इज व्हेन द एम्बेसी ट्राइड टू मूव द प्रिंस टू अ मोर लग्जरियस हॉस्पिटल द प्रिंस रिफ्यूज टू मूव व्हाई। आंसर इज द प्रिंस रिफ्यूज टू मूव टू अ मोर लग्जरियस हॉस्पिटल because he had complete faith on Robert Sandy, the surgeon. Robert had done everything possible to save the life of the prince. Therefore, the prince was not ready to leave him for some other celebrity doctor. Question number second is, who gave the diamond to Robert Sandy? Why was he reluctant to accept the gift? The diamond was given to Robert Sandy by one of his patients. The patient was one of the sons of the king of Saudi Arabia and gave the diamond to Robert Sandy as a token of gratitude from his father. Robert Sandy, the surgeon, was reluctant to accept the gift because he was never habitual of accepting gifts from his patients, as he considered it unprofessional and unbecoming of a doctor. Question number third is, when the prince pleaded with Sandy to accept a small gift from his father, Sandy shrugged his shoulders, suggesting that first, he was willing to accept the present. Second, he was willing to accept the present if it was something small. Third, he was mightily pleased to accept the present. The answer to this question is first one, he was willing to accept the present. Question number fourth is, as the stone fell into his palm, there was a moment when the old man, Harry Gold, appeared to freeze. Why do you think he appeared to freeze? Question number four. Answer is, when the stone fell into the palm of Harry Gold, Harry Gold, the jeweler, he appeared to freeze because he was utterly shocked to find such a beautiful diamond. Also, the flawless stone, its quality and cutting, which was very fine but definitely not modern, made him speechless. The question number fifth is, why did Harry Gold persuade Sandy to take the diamond to auction? Answer is, because according to Harry, normally the diamond would be valued at around $500,000 in trade and over $1 million if bought in a shop. But if sold in an auction, such an exquisite stone would attract wealthy buyers, and on knowing that it came directly from the Saudi royal family, its price would go through the roof. Question number 6 is, what did Robert and Betty wish to do with the money they would get after selling the diamond? Answer, Robert and Betty wished that with the money they would get after selling the diamond, they will buy a small house for Diana and her husband so that they get rid of the horrid flat. Also, they could make an arrangement of conveyance for Ben, so that he need not to go on motorbike to work all through the freezing winters. Lastly, with the money they can go to Egypt, Turkey, and Betty can finally visit Baalbek and all other places which they had been longing for years and years. Question number 7. Why did the Sandys decide to hide the diamond in the house? Where did they hide it? Answer, the Sandys decided to hide the diamond because they were going to the Renshaws for the weekend, and carrying such a precious diamond with them was not a good idea. So they decided to leave the diamond at home. But in case of any burglary, the diamond could be easily stolen. Therefore, they decided to hide it somewhere in the house. After discussing about many options, they finally decided to hide it in the ice tray compartment of the refrigerator. Question number 8. In what state did Robert and Betty find their house when they returned after the weekend at the Renshaws? When Betty and Robert and Betty Sandy returned to the house after the weekend at the Renshaws, they found that their house had been ransacked and everything in the kitchen and the living room has been broken to pieces. Question number 9. Who did the police think had committed the crime? Why? Answer. The police thought that the crime had been committed by the hooligans of the street. Probably there were 3 of them, and after drinking themselves raving mad, they ransacked everything in the house. Question number 10. How did the doctors and sister confirm that what they had removed from the young man's intestine was a real diamond? Answer. The doctor and the sister in Operation Theatre number 2 decided to rub the diamond against the frosted glass window of the operating room so that it could be confirmed that what they removed from the patient's stomach is a real diamond or not. Question number 11. Haddock, Goff and the sister decided to take the diamond to Gold. A. To sell it and share the money. Second, to confirm if it was a real diamond. Third, to find out how much the diamond was worth. So the correct option for question number 11 is C part, to find out how much the diamond was worth. Question 12. On recognizing the diamond, Harry Gold decided to act natural because he did not want the doctors and the nurse to know that he recognized the diamond. True or false? True. Okay. Question number 13. Why do you think the police suspect Haddock, Goff and the sister were? How do you know? The police suspected that Haddock, Goff and the sister were the thieves who stole the diamond from Robert Sandy's house. I know it from the fact that the inspector was not ready to accept the excuses put forth by Haddock and others. Question number 14 is, why was the sister angry even towards the end of the story? Answer. The sister was angry even towards the end of the story because she was not able to understand how that patient swallowed a diamond without even knowing he had done so. So this was all for the chapter The Surgeon. Thank you and take care. Bye bye.